In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video on your Android phone using a free app. Quick and easy. Whether you want to create cool effects or just have fun, this method works great. First, open the Google Play Store and search for a free video editing app that supports reversing videos. I recommend InShot or VLLO. Download and install your preferred app. Open the app and import the video you want to reverse from your gallery. Look for the Reverse option, usually found under Editing Tools or Effects. Tap on it to apply the reverse effect to your video. Wait a moment while the app processes your video. Once done, preview the reversed video to make sure it looks how you want. Finally, save or export the video back to your gallery in the desired quality. That's it. Now you can easily reverse any video on your Android phone for free. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more simple video editing tips.